Huey, where are you?
I'm here.
Let's do the video.
Yeah.
Huey, hey, what you looking at?
The clouds. Look at all the clouds.
Yeah, they're
That
beautiful.
one's in the shape of an apple.
An apple. Oh yeah.
Banana.
I see that. You have a good
Snowman.
imagination, Huey. Hey, did you know that clouds are part of the water cycle? Because all the water from on the ground, it evaporates, it goes up, 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 up. It goes through condensation.
What's that mean?
Condensation is where it turns from vapor into liquid. Into little tiny little droplets of liquid. Little, and they collect and they become clouds.
So why doesn't it fall?
Well, because the tiny little tiny liquid droplets are so small that they don't have enough weight and gravity hasn't affected them yet. But they get bigger and bigger and darker and darker and darker, and then it rains.
Get your umbrella.
It can also snow. And what's the word for when it rains or snows?
Precipitation.
Precipitation.
Oh, I'm getting smart.
You are one smart pig. You want to know a really cool thing about clouds?
Yeah.
They can contain all three states of matter. Solid, liquid, gas.
No way.
Yeah, it's so high up there, it's really, really cold up there, and so sometimes the water can crystallize, but then it also could be a vapor, and also could be tiny little droplets that are actually liquid, and it could be all three things, solid, liquid, and
Gas.
gas. See that tree up there? I'm going to tell you about the tree. I'll be right back.
Not sure what he's doing.
This tree here.
Hey, you look funny running. Don't fall.
Okay, see that tree? It's tiny, it's a tiny tree. Look at all these other big trees around here. Someday that tree is gonna be big. But that tree needs what, Pewee?
Water.
Exactly.
And
Water.
sunlight.
So here's the cool
And
thing.
carbon dioxide.
It needs a lot of things, but
But mostly water.
it needs to catch its breath. Whew. Here's a cool thing, Pewee. They don't use regular water. You know the water you have at home in
Yeah.
your faucet?
Yeah.
They don't use that for the park. They use reclaimed water.
What's that?
Recycled water.
What's that?
Well, the water you have in your home, the people at the water district, they clean it and clean it and clean it so it's pure to drink. And it's wonderful to drink. You got to drink lots of water, but sometimes water gets a little dirty. So instead of cleaning it all the way, they clean it a little bit and then they give it to the park here. So the water here is not as clean as your home, and that saves people a lot of money, and it means we have more water for everybody because they use reclaimed water. What do they use, Pewee?
Reclaimed water. I don't know why, but I'm thirsty all of a sudden. Woo!
Seashore, the seashore, we're walking on the seashore. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking near the sea.
Hey there, why don't you come along? We're walking on the sand and sing a song. Don't need shoes, so get your flip-flops on. If you're feeling good, maybe tap along. There's something changing at the seaside. The moon in the sky is the source. It causes rise and fall of the sea tide from its gravitational force.
Seashore, the seashore, we're walking on the seashore. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking near the sea.
Those slimy things look like water vines. It's kelp that people call seaweed. Photosynthesis from the sunshine turns an algae's chlorophyll green.
Seashore, the seashore, we're walking on the seashore. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking near the sea.
Rocks are in the ecosystem too, protecting animals from enemies. And that habitat is a tide pool for sea anemones.
Seashore, the seashore, we're walking on the seashore. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking near the sea. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking on the seashore. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking near the sea.